Your boy C Trill, and today I'm gonna do a tutorial step-by-step walkthrough on how to place and sell your The Batman NFT on the new DC NFT marketplace. Now before I get into the video, I want to give a shout out to the Boston Celtics, you know what I'm saying, for winning game 1 on the road versus Golden State Warriors in the NBA Finals. So I'm gonna rep them today, you know what I'm saying? I still think Golden State gonna win the finals, but mad props to the Boston Celtics for winning game 1. Now, if you enjoy my content, you know what I'm saying, as far as tutorials, online sports gambling, you know what I'm saying, the music, etc., leave a comment, like the videos, and subscribe to my channel. But without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, now what you're gonna do is go to nft.dcuniverse.com. Alright, if you already redeemed your Batman NFT, you should know about this site. If not, there's an old video of mine. I have it in the right corner. Um, I explain, you know what I'm saying, when that NFT was supposed to be redeemed and how to redeem it and how to place it on OpenSea. But today we're going to sell it on the NFT DC marketplace. Alright, so like I said, nft.dcuniverse.com. Alright, so once you go there, put in your login credentials. And I ain't gonna cap to y'all. I'm about to put these glasses on. Alright, so what you're gonna do is, log in. Here's your collection. This is the NFT that you redeemed. And then here's the marketplace. So let's explore the marketplace. Alright, so here's some stuff on sale. We got some stuff for $100. We got some NFTs worth $187. Keep going. You know what I'm saying? We got some NFTs that cost 15,500 USD. You know what I'm saying? If we keep going, we see a 33,450. You know what I'm saying? We see a 28,500, so on and so forth. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. Let's go to my collection, and this is the limited edition comic poster 1. So go back to the marketplace. We're going to type in Batman. Scroll down. So I have limited edition comic poster 1. That's this one. So folks are trying to sell it for $30. Let's click it. Lowest price, $39. Highest price, $1 million. Well, shoot, 1.5. Total sales, 35. That's the amount of owners. You know what I'm saying? Here go folks trying to sell it. And I'm about to be on the same type of time there. I'm about to sell mine. But we see that the lowest is 39 and the highest is that much. So, alright, in order to sell, this is what we're going to do. Alright, we're going to go to my collection. Click on your NFT. Scroll down and it's going to say sell NFT. Now, this is my second time about to go through this. The first time I was gonna live go through it with y'all, but I had to verify my identity. So I'm letting y'all know, when y'all get ready to sell your NFT, you gotta verify your identity. As far as your name, address, phone number, email, SSN, you know what I'm saying? And you're gonna have to scan your front and back of license. So I already did all that. Alright, so let's go. Sell NFT. Please note that the proceeds from your sale will be added to your credit balance. The ability to cash out any proceeds is coming soon, in which a $25 fee will be applied to every cash out transaction. Alright, start listing. Hold on, y'all. They trying to see what I mean? They trying to get you to verify your identity. So I actually got two NFTs because, long story short, me and my girlfriend went to the movies to go see it, and they gave us two. So I verified my identity on the other one. So let's go ahead and sell that one. All right. All right, here we go. Sell your NFT. Boom. All right, listing price. Uh, I'm gonna say 60. I'm gonna say 60 for now, and it's gonna be a total payout of 54. Right? You know, actually, I'm gonna do 40. 5. All right. Continue. So then we're gonna look at it. You know what I'm saying? Confirm the listing. It says, by selling your collectible, you agree that Palm NFT Studio is the authorized seller of the collectible and does not provide payment services to you. The proceeds from your collectible will be received in the form of a credit balance, which is provided solely by Circle Internet Financial LLC in accordance with the Circle Terms USDC terms and the Circle privacy policy. Alright, so I'm about to confirm listing, and it says your NFT will be listed on the marketplace shortly. Listing in progress. Alright, so we're gonna wait till that's done. Alright, in the meantime, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be dropping more videos more frequently. You know, I'm gonna be dropping more tutorials, how-tos, definitely dropping more music videos, as well as I'm gonna start like a small account Robinhood series as well. So be on the lookout for that. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all watching my videos. You know what I'm saying? Learning what I got to offer as far as knowledge with referring to like Robinhood or sports betting, or you know what I'm saying, computer stuff like this, NFTs and stuff like that. So appreciate y'all for watching me. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all have a good day, and until next time.